saved it.
You saved it.
Oh my God, that was crazy.
And then you don't know how to control it. I just said left, down.
I know.
So basically the battery was low, but it gives me a warning. As I was bringing it back, it says battery is low. Return to home in 10, we'll start return to home in 10 seconds. I'm like, no, because we move. So I cancel return to home. And I try to bring it back and he's doing like all kind of weird stuff. And then he goes at the back of that boat over there, which was lucky it was not in their mast or anything. And which was lucky I didn't put the stand-up paddleboard back up. So it was like jump on the stand-up paddleboard, go as fast as I can, and until you go down.
And I'd never operated the thing before, so.
I had to grab it, to flip it, and
Crazy.
then find a way to bring it back and dry.
Yeah. Woo! High five, bro.
Good job.
Stefan just took a dinghy over to grab a taxi to check us out so we could just stay here on this chill mooring ball. And I told him if he comes back to return with pizza, so we're gonna see what happens. Little breezy today, breezier. A lot of the boats left. It's a little exposed. Here he comes. Do you have the pizza? Woohoo! So how was the ride?
Oh, to the beach club?
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, it was with Chad. All this was gone, all the Paradise Beach Club. It's very nice. They rebuilt everything and it looks like everything is brand new and looks perfect.
Cool. How's the pizza?
I don't know.
Let's check it out.
It's a vegan pizza.
It's a vegan pizza.
That's perfect. They had a vegan pizza.
So we're getting ready to drop our mooring ball and head for Bequai. I'm drinking my coffee, trying to wake up a little bit.
The oval plan, it's a little gusty, and I mean we're far away from land here, so there's probably disruption from the land, but not so much. But it's gusty and it's shifty.
So we're on our way to Bequia from Carriacou. It's about 35 nautical miles. But we have two reefs in the Genoa that will definitely be stay sail territory, but we don't have too far to go. We have one reef in the main, leach quite open. So the boat is comfortable, about 19-20 knots, steady with some gusts. Higher than that. We want flat water obviously, but this is where you appreciate the meaning of comfort. So what I wanted to mention, the sea state is bouncy. We're sailing at 10 knots boat speed with 22 knots of wind. The wind is coming from 50 degrees. Somebody called me on the 16, it's like anybody there. So the turbine is coming about 70 degrees from starboard side, and we have turn winds about 50 degrees. Sea state is definitely bouncy, and the boat is moving with the sea state, but it remains very comfortable when you think you're sailing like 10 knots going 50 degrees apparent. In 20 knots of wind, we have 24 knots apparent. And what I wanted to mention was the comfort when you go at a boat show and you look at a boat. It's the visual comfort. The comfort that I'm talking about here is the boat is doing just fine, and because we have the water line and then we have this high bridge deck clearance. So the big test you can do if you charter a boat or if you go in Anchorage and look around, sail behind the boat and look at that bridge deck clearance and think about while you'll be sailing in a bouncy sea state, that higher bridge deck clearance will make the ride a lot more comfortable, no slamming, and so something to pay attention to. So I'm going to give you an overview of today's sails. So we left from Carriacou. We were at Sandy Island right there. So we left Union to our starboard side, and that's us right there. We're heading kind of way past where we need to go. The wind has been shifting quite a bit. If it stays steady like this, I'm going to be able to bear away like maybe like 5 degrees or so. I definitely don't want to lose ground going upwind, but the wind is expected to come more from here from east-southeast to east. We found the island of Bequia. So that's us right here, turning around the corner, and we'll go anchor somewhere in the middle of the bay here. The entrance in the bay is right into the wind.
We made it to Bequai.
I'll check in before they close, and I guess there is a cruiser party. We're waiting to hear from our friends at Rhythm where it is. So far, and they've been spending quite a few days here, and they love Bequia, so excited to be here.
So today we're gonna go to visit Firefly Estate.
I'm curious to see what it is, and looks like after that you can stay for lunch, and the reviews are pretty good, so
Yeah.
looking forward to it.
This is our ride. And this is our driver. What's your name?
Ramsey.
Ramsey.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Ramsey is not an Egyptian.
Are you the welcome committee?
I work here.
That's our tour guide, Ezra, he said.
Okay, so this tree here is a flower that we use for decoration. It's called a frangipani. Yeah. This one is the guava. You can use your guava for making juice, jam. You can try one if you like to anyone. The yellow one.
What are you eating?
Guava, so good, much better than guava jelly. Or it's like the real thing.
It is good.
A little bit.
Yep. Thank you. Doesn't smell much, but it's good.
Golden apple. Honey, sugar cane.
I had sugarcane juice before, but never straight like that. Good, fresh as it can be.
Thank you.
That eat the leaves? They're just eating all of the leaves.
That is the biggest caterpillar I've ever seen.
Jesus.
They're like everywhere.
We're just gonna eat all of it, then we can get right for the flowers.
Oh look, they have tofu. Right there. They have tofu, honey. They have tofu.
Nutmeg ice cream, chocolate samosas.
He goes straight for the desserts. They do look pretty good. Look at this, we found a little private beach. It would be nice to stay here, but there's a really big cloud coming in the background. Maybe you can see it. So we're gonna make our way back. So Stefan wants to take the paddleboard over to see the turtles.